My name is Eric Tormala. I'm the Vice President of Operations here at Foundations Financial, and I am responsible for managing the operations of the day-to-day activity here as well as the expansion of our company. Communication for us is primary. We're dealing with clients every single day, so we need to be able to communicate with them at all levels, whether it's email, whether it's voice, which is via phone, cell phone, whether it's face-to-face here in our conference room. The technology is important for us because it makes us very efficient. Technology from a phone perspective is incredibly important because people are on the move. So they're in their cars, they're at their jobs, they're all over the place. So we need to be able to communicate with people on the spot. We use phones from COMVOICE. They're Cisco phones and they're internet-based phones, so voice over IP. We use these phones because, well, first of all, they're the latest technology, right? And secondly, they provide us tremendous flexibility in our growth and our expansion as a company. They're very easy to use. We don't have to train any of our employees on how to use them. They kind of train themselves just by working with the phone. We may give them general direction on how to do certain things, how to set up their voicemail, how to use the phones, but the instruction is self-evident through the menu-driven phones themselves. I myself am responsible for all the operations of Foundations Financial, which includes the day-to-day operations, the expansion of the offices and such. So in this moment of our growth, I actually physically don't have an office myself, right? So it presents a challenge, but I can take the phone that I have and I can plug it into any of the offices we have. We have this one here, and we're building one in the East Valley. Right now, I actually have that phone in my home, but with the Follow Me feature, it just follows me to wherever I am. Follow Me feature is a feature where if one of our asset planners gets a phone call here at the office, and they're not here to answer it, maybe they're out and about, they're in a conference room, they're at lunch, they're doing something, but they want to receive that phone call, it automatically forwards to their cell phone, where they have the option to take that call. If they choose not to take that call at that point in time, maybe they're busy, it reverts itself right back to the voicemail system, and that clients can leave a voicemail. Foundations Financial is rather unique. Each one of our states, as we expand from state to state, will have a central office, a processing center. From there, we'll expand as required throughout that city or throughout that state. And as each satellite office comes on board, we have the flexibility with the COMVOICE phones to add 1, 2, 3, 4 phones, and they'll all be connected to that central branch. The COMVOICE phones are amazing because we get a new person that comes on board, or a new office for that matter, those phones are installed within 2 or 3 days. So as I'm planning the expansion of our company, I don't have technology getting in my way. I don't have 3, 4, 5 week lead times from the phone company, from equipment suppliers, from any of the technology related items we have. I don't have any of that standing in their way. I can move on a moment's notice and open up a new office. With the COMVOICE phones, we absolutely achieve cost savings every day, both tangible and intangible cost savings. Tangible meaning that our total cost to operate our phones with the systems, the long distance, is much less expensive than a traditional phone system. The service that they provide us is right down to the individual. We don't have to, per se, have an administrative staff running interference between us and the service they provide. Our users, our asset planners, they can just pick up the phone and dial 611 and get whatever issue they have that they're encountering solved right there. The phones work so easy that the people on the other line, who are great, can walk them through how to fix their phone issue. And 99 times out of 100, it's fixed right there.